Hello, welcome. I'm back with a new tutorial and a new camera. Words can't express how much I adore Senegalese twists. It's my go-to protective hairstyle and pretty easy to do. So I've decided to show you how to create this wonderful hairstyle for your doll. You can also use this tutorial to do your own hair too. First, you'll need patience, a client or doll, hair bands, scissors, neck-long braiding hair. I used Expressions braiding hair in colour 99J, a tail comb or a needle for separating the hair, a brush, metal cuffs or beads, this is optional, you might not want to add any. A detailed list can be found on my website. Please check the description box for a direct link. There are 3 methods, but I'll be sharing 2 as I'm not fond of the braiding then twisting method. It doesn't look as nice. So, method 1, pay close attention. You are simply dividing your parted section into 2. Place your braiding hair in the middle, making sure it is even. Twist one side with the braiding hair. The other side should be twisted in the opposite direction. Then, cross over the 2 and repeat, twist and cross. Method 2 involves using the entire parted section as an anchor. Holding the braiding hair in the middle, twist with the entire parted section. The other half of the braiding hair should be twisted in the opposite direction. Cross the 2 over once again and continue. Twist and cross, twist and cross. It's quite hard to explain, but it is easy to master. I have provided replays and you can watch this video several times, even in slow motion. Senegalese twists look amazing, but you can always accessorise this hairstyle with some metal cuffs or beads. It's entirely up to you. I hope this video has been of help. I want to end this video by thanking everyone who has subscribed to this channel and shown love as well as support. I am so overwhelmed. Thank you. Also, I know everyone has been requesting crochet braids or any crochet hairstyle, and I promise it is on the way. If you are new here and you like what you see, please subscribe. If you have already, thank you. Please feel free to like, share and comment on this video. Also, let me know what you want to see next. A crochet video is in the making, but I also want to try repainting a doll. Thank you for watching.